If you're looking to rejuvenate your worn concrete patio, porch, stairs, or entranceway at a fraction of the cost, call TYBO Concrete. Let us resurface your patio, balcony, porch, or your damaged concrete walls. With endless possibilities in style and color, our high-impact industrial coatings are 100% salt resistant. We pride ourselves on quality service that Niagara has counted on for over 15 years. Fully insured and WSIB compliant, TYBO concrete coatings can help you add value and curb appeal to your property.